The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for west central Potawatomi storm channel. A previous tornado was located over southwestern Norman for Norman.
So I gotta go get Mr. Brain Damage. You need to get out of here. Bro, a tornado comes and kills both of us. Go through the grass, I don't care. Turn! Oh, screw it. Yo, Mr. Brain Damage. Mr. Brain Damage. We need to go now, bro. There's a massive tornado over there, bro. We need to go. There's a massive tornado right there. We need to go. Hop in, quick.
Bro, I was recording my video. I was trying to play some Roblox Cartoon.
Yo, we don't got time for it, bro. We need to go. Well, it don't matter, bro. Just need to get out of here.
This place is awfully familiar. I can't put my finger on it.
This is just where we live, stupid. Did you not hear the tornado sirens?
No. My headset.
Is this gonna be like safe from the tornadoes and stuff? The hell? Who are you talking to? Are you schizophrenic?
Oh, hell no! No wonder I'm in the complex.
It's just a fucking building, bro.
No, I'm farting.
Guess you're feeling the I should kill.
Scary as hell.
Oh!
Thank you for that. I'm gonna fart on you now.
Map is buns. Redo down.
Hello. Today
No, I'm gonna go
we
get some
eat a
fucking cheese sticks.
Can you shut up or you're stop smacking your lips before I rip them off. This is
Brother, this is not what I thought this place was, bro.
Mark, look, I made a mistake.
a steak.
Yes.
Oh, you can make it.
Bro, I should never gone through that door. Ooh.
I'm out of the map, but I don't care.
I'm running, bro. Brother, I'm running. What is that? No, we're in the void like that one YouTuber guy.
Enter?
Oh.
What the hell?
What the f?
Oh, what the hell? Get away! What? Hold on. I'm confused.
It's stuck now.
I'm dead now.
Oh.
What were we supposed to do?
You're supposed to find, like, these white orbs.
We entered and we immediately die. I died.
Oh god.
Is there like a place I'm supposed to hide at?
He's still coming. He's still coming.
Like the running wall? Oh shoot, oh
Holy
shoot!
This way, this way, this way. You gotta grab these orbs.
0 out of 5 collected.
Wow. Collected so many. Maybe he relies off of stuff. I think he relies off sound. Maybe. I'm not sure.
It's like past that wall. That one, nice. I think if one of us dies, we have a safe spot. We should re-invite the other.
Okay.
But you have to have a safe spot to do that.
He's probably gonna be around this corner.
Bulb.
He's right there. Run.
Oh my god, he sees you, bro. Run!
No, I got it. I got it. I see, there's an orb behind him. I got it.
Shit, I'm running.
Oh, juked him. I juked him.
Another orb. Okay, one more orb.
He's right behind me. I got it.
I got him.
He's still chasing me.
No, we already got the orb. No, did we get this one? No, we 100% got that one.
Help! I'm in a dead end! Ah! Ah!
Heaven relics found.
Hey,
Retrieve
Pat.
relics to avoid structural collapse. Recommended you use the store to your left. One other living life form detected. Proceed with immediate caution.
Bro, what is this house, bro? We should not have driven here.
Sure, I'm gonna make this a separate video.
That's like 2 hours or something.
Hello.
Yippee!
Warning.
There's a place.
Warning. Hostile anomaly detected nearby. Anomaly is Apollyon. Find the relics immediately.
Thank you, voice in my head, for telling me that.
Thank you, the Sonatica voice.
That is nowhere close to it, bro.
Nah, that's a Sonatica voice.
No, that's not the
It does the
PDA.
same thing. It basically does the same thing.
Nuh-uh.
Queso.
What the hell's that noise?
Queso.
Run!
One by one.
What the hell was that noise, bro? Found a relic right here.
That's a relic. So is this a relic? This is a relic.
Oh, who's heavy ass footsteps, bro?
Sounds like it's saying Sarah.
Yeah, it is.
Not mine. Relic.
Cheese block.
No, we're just trying
Cheese. Is this a relic? Lamp.
That's a lamp, bro.
Oh my god!
Sarah.
Arrow.
My name's not Sarah. Why are you in my house? Tomato.
Madto. I mean, it looks the same, but like, who is this fool in our house? Where'd half the rooms go, bro? Like, where's my
I
gaming
don't remember
room?
the basement being this big, bro.
I had my gaming room down here, and I can't find it.
I don't remember all these hallways in the basement. Okay, so.
You basically never go in the basement, to be honest. I mean, when did we have all this stuff?
I'll take a couple. Okay, so in our house.
I think.
The one
What the hell is that?
The one
What the hell is that?
What the hell was that?
Grandpa?
That's not Grandpa.
Oh, it's coming over here. It's coming.
Like it's running?
No, it's walking. It didn't see us yet. What is that thing in our basement, bro?
The kids mutated. The kids that have my basement mutated. They're fighting back.
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer. DUI, how about you die? I'll go 100 miles in an hour. Little do you know, I filled up on gas. I'm a kid.
Behind you. Yo. What the hell was that, bro? What the hell was that?
I don't know.
Shit.
Ow, put me down, Brad, put me down.
Holy shit.
Just fine.
Bro,
Bro, what the hell is this thing?
Bro, I'm fucking terrified. Why is that thing in our hug?
Bomb. Sigma.
Back the f. What's this ambient? Sounds like a damn fan, bro. Weave.
I gotta recollect all the ruggeds.
Riggets. Piggets.
I'm running.
Shit nuggets.
Bruh.
What? There's nothing here. It's not over here.
I got the tomato. I was trying to get on the relics back since I'm dead. I died.
Twice.
We need to go where it is at to find the rest of the relics.
No. I want to go back upstairs.
Yeah.
Where's the stairs at?
They should be over there, but I don't see them. Might be no clips.
We stuck here, bro?
No, she froze you.
I got the last one.
When it gets you.
I got the last thing to make the patty. Now I have to go
Oh, right
return
there.
it. Why do I have to make a sandwich?
I gotta
How do I make the
Return it where?
sandwich?
back where we spawn. We have to go probably where is that, bro?
No.
Go then.
No, bro. I don't wanna.
Yes, so. The gate of doom.
This way.
Sure. Or sure. Oh my god.
Oh, we zooming. We're zooming.
Terrifying. Professional hunchback in our house.
Where's Blue Dude?
Yeah. Blue dude's coming for you. Blue's coming. Blue dude's coming for you. Blue's coming. Blue dude's coming for you. Blue's coming. Blue dude's coming for you.
Blue Dude's
Check your
coming for
recording.
you. Blue Dude's coming. Blue Dude's coming for you.
Like I mentioned how you do your check your recording and I hear that going off. What?
I'm just gonna book it down this hallway, bro.
Be on the other side of the hallway?
No. You're wrong.
Yo, hold up,
So fat footsteps.
Hey. We went the other way.
I see it.
Yo, do not peek your head out just in case it turns around.
Bro, it's walking on the
Go back,
ceiling.
just go back. Just go back, go back, go back.
Retreat, retreat, retreat! Oh, boom!
What do we do with his stuff to kill that then? Of course you are gonna.
Man, I'm not a big bag.
I like to poop. Poop. I like to poop. I like to poop.
I'm gonna punch you. You.
What the get them style?
Mark, look, I made a mistake.
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer.
Patty.
Keiko.
The Geico Gecko.
Back up. Oh! Brother.
Sarah.
It's coming down this hallway, bro.
No, it's not. I'm in third person. I can see it's not.
Really?
Yeah, like turn back, I'm down this hallway. But it's not.
You sure?
It's really close, but it's not down the hallway.
I can see it
God,
through the
that's
wall.
loud, bro.
Hey, hey, hey.
See,
Sarah.
I farted.
It's coming back.
Shoving you in the wall.
Bro, no.
Hey, hold on, hold on. Get behind the corner. I can tell, okay?
It's coming.
Not yet. Stop shining your flashlight at my face, bro.
Is it coming?
It's coming down this hallway. SpongeBob.
Wait for quick, walk right here. What? What am I saying, bro? Is it not able to come down? Is it
Watch
not able
this.
to come over here?
She's farting. Anyways, move it, bro. I hope he died. It turned! It turned! It turned!
What the skibbity?
I hope he died a horrible death. It's turned around, turn.
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer. DUI, how about you die? I'll go 100 miles in an hour. Little do you know, I filled up on gas. I'm a kid, you're about to make an ass. Pulverize this fog.
World, but we can be bees. You'll be a pet. A pet? A pet. You'll live for 30 years.
Talking about one of humanity's biggest fears.
Goes right here, shine your flashlight. B5 from what piece does you fall from?
It's not coming down the hallway, that's all I know.
Sarah.
Booga booga.
Sarah.
Booga shuga. We all know what you mean.
George Jordan hacked into my phone. My original password was 5555, but he replaced number 5 with George Joy. And why are you singing that?
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer. DUI, how about you die? I'll go 100 miles in an hour. Little do you know, I filled up on gas. I'm a kid, you're bound to make an ass. Pulverize this phone with my broken truck. It seems you're out of luck.
Shut about these relics. I'm not trying to make no Krabby Patty.
Different. So, how was
Big
it?
old forehead sticking through it, and he goes after me.
I don't really know which side of the map we're on.
I'm gonna grab you and I'm gonna throw you against the ground 28 times.
Okay, bro. Well, personally, fart right now,
Me personally, I'm about to break this pinky stir, bro.
dude. I'm going to whoop on Gundam style you. What the hell does that even mean?
Chat, I look.
Shh.
I will for 800 burgers.
What the f?
I will poop so hard until the planet burns to the ground. I guess every time I said Sarah, it turns. Yeah, that's
It's coming from that way. Which way is it coming from?
No,
Ooh!
it's
What? Harper Creek. Ooh, I'm farting on a heater. My forehead's sticking out. I'm gonna kill you.
Christ, man. It's coming this way. Get your nasty little laugh out of here. Chat, I'm only going to press using those emoji stuff.
What are you doing, fool? What the hell are you doing, bro? Man, you know what?
Hey, Far Cry, how's it going?
It's just
Ready for some
retarded.
action?
Retard.
Hey, I see Mr. Brain Damage is here.
Tell him
Big fan of yours, huh?
Our
How's
basement
the
got a
game
lot
going?
bigger and there's a monster inside of it.
Yo, we just escaped a bunch of tornadoes and we went into our basement, but there's a monster and the basement got comically larger.
Whoa, sounds like you two are in a wild situation. Those tornadoes and a giant basement monster? Sounds like a story for the ages. Need some backup?
Kill you.
You want to talk or need assistance?
Look at
Just
me, you dumbass.
Look at me in the eye and tell me.
I'm
how
here to
many
help keep things
have you-
positive and fun. If you have any questions or need assistance with the game, just let me
I'm
know.
here to keep
Let's keep the
stuff
good vibes
positive
going.
and fun.
Okay, bro, you're going back in my backpack.
A beer.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's been a while since I posted because my stupid VR problems. Again, I posted about it. If you know how to fix it, please tell me. This is getting really goddamn annoying. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I farted. A really, really rudest of the two.
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer.